Hi guys, Jimmy here, aka Palette of the Dead. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a quick, or hopefully quick update. Firstly, no Mortal Realms magazine this week because it doesn't look like it's out. It's not listed on the publisher website at all. The release date is listed on fowhammer.com. However, I'm not sure if it's going to be correct at the moment from the looks of it. From the looks of it, it's still fortnightly until the next issue releases, which I'm guessing from the looks of it might be next week. Who knows? Without the publisher website actually having it updated, I just genuinely don't know. Anyway, with Mortal Realms videos, I just wanted to let you know, in the next couple of weeks they will become later in the day, so they will be in the evenings and not in the afternoons. This is due to me going back to work full time, because the semi-lockdown in the UK is kind of over-ish, or might be kind of over-ish in the very near future. But yeah, the videos will be coming out between 7 and 9 PM in the evenings. Fingers crossed, all being well anyway. If there's any change to that, I will try to let you know as soon as I possibly can. Other than that though, I just want to say thank you for all your support so far. There will be new videos though this week, something slightly different, which is one of the side projects that I like to do every now and then. There will be a couple of those in the near future. I'll try to get those done and sorted out as fast as I possibly can. In terms of support for the channel, I appreciate every like, every comment and every subscription. It is brilliant to see people commenting and liking videos of mine. It's unprecedented. I didn't 100% think it would happen, so I appreciate everything that everybody's kind of said and done and everything like that. It does really, yeah, kind of give me something to focus on. Having said all that though, if you want other ways of supporting the channel, if you want any bits and pieces, whether it's Games Workshop stuff, whether it's modelling stuff, whether it's scenery, whether it's the Fallout Wastelands game, whether it's Judge Dredd game, whether it's Song of Fire and Ice, Marvel Crisis Protocol, anything like that, there are two links in the description down below. I kind of hate mentioning it. It is entirely up to you if you want to use them. They are affiliate links. If you use the links, it will take you through to the website. Anything you buy on that website, I will earn a commission for. It is up to you if you use them. I don't want to pressurize anybody into using them, and I try not to, and I don't want to mention it too often. But if you do buy, I earn something. What I earn from it will go back into the channel, whether that's buying new paints, new models, supplies, whether it's like kind of like texture pastes or anything like that for basing, and stuff like that. So, or whether it's even just new tools, brushes, anything like that. In all honesty, ideally I want to get a static grass applicator at some point, and do something different with that, because I've got loads of static grass that I don't use currently, and I want to do something a bit different with it, and something that I can possibly record. Who knows? You never know. Stranger things have happened. Anyway, as I say, I appreciate everybody's support so far. New videos coming hopefully in the very, very near future. I'm trying to get as many videos done before I go back to work, and I have even less time to do them. There will be some updates to the channel in the near future as well, and I'll try to keep everybody updated as often as I can. Other than that, if you've made it this far through the video, thank you very, 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 very much for watching. Yeah, drop a comment down below with what you think is going on with the channel, what you're thinking about Mortal Realms magazine. Let me know what projects you're on with. Everything like that, it's always greatly appreciated. If you want to send me a photo of the stuff that you've painted or anything like that, you can just literally just tweet the photo to me, at Palette Dead. Link on the screen now. On Twitter, you can tag me in it on Instagram. You can even link it to me on Facebook, I believe, as well. You should be able to. If not, if your Facebook one doesn't work, just use Twitter or Instagram. It's probably far better anyway, in all honesty. And yeah, you can show me, and we'll try to build a community out of this, in all honesty. That is the idea and the aim for all of this, to build a community of people who like the games, like the models, paint them, want to talk about them, want to show what they've been doing, and everything like that. So I've gone on far longer than I wanted to, but thank you very much for watching, and I will catch you very soon. Bye bye now.